Thinking of investing in Bitcoin? HODL. Hold on for dear life. Bitcoin has hit all-time highs and is steadily trading above 2017's peak of the market. So, is this a good time to invest? Any investment into Bitcoin is a good investment. Just never forget these words of wisdom, HODL, or hold on for dear life. This might not make any sense to you right now, but just think about it for a few seconds. Bitcoin has fluctuated up and down with swings as high as 85%. That means if you think we are at a peak, we could easily downtrend and you could lose 85% of your money. Is that the truth though? As long as you keep holding Bitcoin, its rise is inevitable. The only way you would lose all your hard-earned money in 2017 if you would have been to buy at 20,000 and not HODL. People who bought in at the peak of 2017 have now nearly doubled the value of their holdings. Ever heard of buy the dips? That means the wise investor who bought at 20,000 and hodled for 3 years while buying Bitcoin when it hit lows as low as 3,000 are now in mega profits. I guess this is the time to explain what HODL really means. It means buy and never sell. Bitcoin is an extremely limited resource, and as it gets bought up, held, and lost permanently, the quantity available is getting less and less. If you have to hold on to your Bitcoin for 10 years, would you? I know I would have never before, but now I've changed my strategy. It's called dollar cost averaging. What this means is I buy and I buy and I buy and HODL everything in sight. Buy and never sell, that's my new motto. I even have a friend who has followed this model with all his coins, and now he is worth over $10 million. I taught him about Bitcoin, and now he is rich, while I sit here only having learning this lesson recently. It's okay, we all have to learn this lesson, sooner or later. Many of us never will, but this is how the rich get so stinking rich. They HODL, dollar cost average, and buy the dips. Buying the dips basically means when the price is down, it's time to buy. What about other coins? Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Polkadot, or some more obscure ones, API3, 1inch, or Ramp? These coins have solid teams and are following in Bitcoin's footsteps. Bitcoin has 4 years ahead of Ethereum, and Ethereum has 4 years ahead of Chainlink and Polkadot. I've watched Ethereum for years, and I remember being mad because I was only mining 10 of them per day. Now the price just hit 1,400 and I am shocked. I knew that the limited quantity of these coins could propel the price high and with widespread adoption, but I wanted to spend the money instead, so I sold at $10 per coin. Ethereum is 4 years behind Bitcoin, and the pattern Ethereum is following is very similar to Bitcoin. Coins like Polkadot and Chainlink just hit the $20 mark, and I remember when Ethereum was 20. Well, being that they are 4 years behind, they will one day hit 100 and then 1,000. These cryptocurrencies are here to stay, and they have huge, awesome teams capable of bringing cryptocurrency mainstream. And that's just what they are doing. It's only a matter of time until we see Chainlink at $1,000, perhaps only 4 years. What investment to turn $20 into $1,000? Most people will tell you that it is impossible, but in cryptocurrency, the impossible is not only possible, but very probable. I've watched coin after coin follow this pattern, and I will report over the next few years what has happened to my portfolio and why it has jumped. Coins like Ramp are going to go huge too. And at 25 cents per coin, watch out. What happens when Ramp hits $100 4 years from now? API3 is a very similar coin to Chainlink. It will be a competitor for sure. There are only 11 million API3 coins in existence currently, and the price is going up fast. At $5 per coin, it's a bargain, and $500 per coin is not out of the question over the next few years. So, do you want to make money? Just follow the advice from this article. Buy coins and hang on to them for the long run. You won't be sorry, and neither will I. Oh, and don't forget, the first thing bought with Bitcoins was a pizza. 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Today, that's an expensive pizza.